could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything.
My dolls, I am LeeLee, also known as LeeLee UrsTruLee, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. Today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this unit from Pearl Hair. All the links to this unit will be down in the description box. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and get into the video. Okay, you guys, so this unit is brought to you from Pearl. This is just me unboxing the unit, and when I say, y'all, hold on, I'm about to get into it, but this is a little mirror, the wig band, the comb and brush, and then a wig cap. So let's open this. It's a 26-inch 13x4 frontal lace wig. It is ready, go, and pre-styled. It's straight, and it is 250% density. Y'all, the volume on this wig, oh my gosh, it's incredible, and it feels so good. The hair feels so luxurious. I've had this unit on for about 2 weeks straight, and I'm not even exaggerating. The thing came out of the box ready to put on. All I did was decide that I wanted to style it in the way that I wanted to style it, so I took my scissors and I cut a few inches off of the bottom because I knew I wanted to do this flipped up style. Easy peasy. Do you hear me? All the links to this unit will be down in the description box. I'm just letting this play out so I can show you guys how easy it was for me to style it. But like I said, it came braided, and this wig has went viral like all over the internet. Absolutely 10 out of 10 recommend. You hear me? I've been working with Pearl for years, so yeah, go get this unit. Anyways, let y'all get into it.
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart.
Alright, dolls, so I showed you the unit, and now I'm going to be taking this alcohol and cleaning up a little bit more of this makeup area. I'm in a rush, y'all. I just hit myself in the face with a rack because my towel rack fell. I just want to make sure this area clean. Hold on, I forgot my mirror. Okay, I just want to make sure this area is clean. So I'm using 91% alcohol. Like, I literally got, that rack literally hit me in the face. I got makeup sitting under my eye, but we're just gonna make this quick. So the glue that I'm gonna be using is the Erica J Hold Me Down glue, and I'm just going to take it with the end of this thing and apply my layers.
There's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna get it time to dry, and then I'm gonna apply a second light coat. But the unit, y'all saw me curling it yesterday, so I pretty much got everything out the way. Like I said in the beginning of this video, everything was sent like this. It came with the braids, and y'all, get into it. Like, she is giving scalp, she is giving HD lace, baby hair is already curled. Like, what more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? So these already done for you units are winning. I'm loving them so freaking much. So freaking much. This is gonna be a quick, easy install. I'm taking my T-pins out and getting ready because I'm ready to put her on my head. I'm going to apply a little bit of makeup to the lace, just a tiny. And this also did come with an adjustable strap, y'all. It's removable, so if you want the adjustable strap, you can put the adjustable strap. If not, you don't have to have it. But we all know I don't have no hair, so therefore I'm going to put the adjustable strap in here like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of this, dab, 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 and I'm just gonna apply it all to this lace so it can blend a little easier. And I'm so late.
Your call has been forwarded.
Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Smile at every word I wrote. What would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your...
Y'all, okay, let me throw the rest of my stuff on. So I'm curling this hair, but I got these cute little bows to put on here. The other one is kind of silk. I'm gonna put this one, and that's part of the reason why this ponytail looking the way it's damn looking from me doing this. But I'm just gonna take this, we're gonna move it over. Oh fuck, I want it in the back like that and not really this. Baby, this is why. Okay, y'all, pray for me.
Spot my love.
Okay, my dolls, that's the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and style this unit. It is ready to wear and pre-style. I'm telling you, they're making it easier and easier for us. The luster on this hair is gorgeous. Make sure y'all check the links in the description box and subscribe.